Looking for a quick way to add the timeless charm of stone to your home or business without needing a builder? Welcome to the Brico Series from DECKO's FlexiStone range. Today we're unboxing two stunning styles, the Brico Travertino and the Brico Naturale. Both are made from real stone composite, giving you that authentic texture and variation you'd normally only get from premium masonry, but it's at a fraction of the weight and cost. Each box contains 12 panels. Every panel is 300 by 380 millimeters, here you go in imperial, and only 6 millimeter thick. But don't let that fool you. They're solid, durable, and cleverly designed to interlock for seamless alignment. Together, those 12 panels cover just over 1 square meter, or just under 12 square feet. It's a cost-effective upgrade with a high-end look. Brico Travertino brings a warm, natural stone feel, perfect for earthy, Mediterranean-inspired spaces. Brico Naturale, on the other hand, has a clean, soft white tone that brightens and adds texture to modern or minimalist interiors. One of the clever features of our FlexiStone panels are, you guessed it, flexibility. You can gently bend the panels to wrap around curved walls or pillars, something traditional stone simply can't do. For indoor use, installation couldn't really be any easier. These come with a high-tack, double-sided tape already applied. Just peel, press, and you're done. If you're planning to use them outdoors, just peel off the paper and apply construction adhesive and seal the joints. That way the panels stay watertight and weather resistant year-round. Use them in living rooms, outdoor kitchens, facades, shop fit-outs, wherever you want. Impact without the time and the cost of traditional stone is great. Now with DECKO Brico Series, you don't just upgrade your walls, you transform your entire space, and you can do it yourself. Ready to get started? Tap the link below or head to our website and explore the full Brico range today.